Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when the battery level of your earbuds is not reliable. So firstly, we need to check if you have the latest software version. To do this, open Xiaomi Earbuds application and you need to, of course, add your earbuds to the app. Then you will see the same menu and you need to scroll down. Right here we have update firmware. But firstly, you need to sign in into your account, because without it you cannot check for updates or update software version. Then after you sign in, tap at this line, and if you have the same information, it means that you have the latest version. If you haven't, you can enter inside here and update it. Then, if it didn't help you or you haven't new software version, I recommend it to put your earbuds to the charging case and then close the case. After that, wait about 15 seconds and the battery level of your charging case and your earbuds will update. So then you open the charging case and check, is it fixed? You can check it also in the application. If this method didn't help you, also you need to perform a factory reset. To perform a factory reset, we need to put the earbuds to the charging case, but this time do not close the case. At the bottom we have connection button. You need to press and hold it for at least 10 seconds. Firstly, it starts blinking white. It's okay, don't worry, just keep holding this button. Here we go. Now I can release my finger, and then we need to reconnect them with the phone. So go to the settings, then Bluetooth or connected devices, and at the device list click the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds. Forget this device and forget device. Now if you have Android, click pair new device at the top. If you have this button, because not all Android phones have it. If you have iOS, turn off and turn on the Bluetooth. And after factory reset, these earbuds enter to pairing mode automatically, so tap on them at the device list. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!